Congratulations on the purchase of your new LF286 BCS letter folder. When you first open the box, make sure to fill out the registration card and read the instruction book completely. Carefully unpack the machine and inspect all contents for damage. After removing the letter folder from its packaging, it's time to start assembly. Begin by placing the dejamming handle in the slot on the bottom of the machine. This is important because the handle should not be left in the side of the unit. The letter folder operates at a high rate of speed and the handle could cause injury. Now line up the 4 rubber feet on the bottom of the unit with the 2 rails on the top of the metal paper catch. Insert the smaller guide into the back of the unit. The long guide is inserted in the front of the machine. The guide must be inserted so that the C-shaped ends fit firmly onto the silver cylinders. The magnet must remain in contact with the silver cylinders. You will know it is securely seated when it does not move or shift when pressed. Assemble the paper guide. The upper paper guide should be held at a slight angle to the lower paper guide and the tabs in the upper guide engaged into the slots of the lower guide. Align the runners on the side of the paper guide with the rails in the letter folder and push the guide into place. Now plug the machine in using a 3-prong grounded power source. The machine is ready to begin folding.
Reset the counter using this button.
You can adjust the speed of the letter folder using the knob located on the left side panel. This folder is designed to fold 3 sizes of paper: 8.5 by 11, 8.25 by 11 5/8, and 8.5 by 14. Refer to the folding chart to choose one of the 4 folds. Choose one of the 3 paper sizes. The folding guide scale is located on each folding guide using letters A, B, C, etc. This makes fold setups quick and easy. Remove the fold guides and loosen the thumb wheels in order to adjust to the required position. Adjust the slides to correspond to the letter that was selected on the folding chart. Now tighten the thumb screws. Repeat this procedure on the small folding guide, making sure the slide aligns with the correct letters. Now your letter folder is ready to fold in the various styles you have selected. If paper becomes jammed, always turn off and unplug the folder first. Remove the guides. You can attempt to remove the paper by hand, but if this is unsuccessful, the dejamming handle is located on the bottom of the folder. Remove it and insert the handle in the circular opening on the side of the unit near the on-off switch. Turn the handle in either direction while pulling on the paper. Make sure to return the handle to its location on the bottom of the folder. 5 pairs of replacement pads are included with your folding machine should you need to replace worn pads. Turn off the unit and unplug before changing feed pads. Pull out the lower paper guide from the unit and use a flathead screwdriver or similar type tool to pry the worn pads out. Replace both feed pads at the same time. Once you have removed the old feed pads completely, you can place the fresh pads into the receptacles and press firmly to make sure that the feed pads are both secured and have even height. Make sure the slanted surfaces are face out. If it becomes necessary to return the folder to its original packaging, do so carefully following these steps. First, remove the paper guide and fold guides. Next, take up the slack in the power cord and wire tie it. Secure it in the back of the machine as shown. Place the machine into its bag and insert the bagged machine into the styrofoam support. Pack the paper guide and fold guides in their bags and pack them into the styrofoam. Place the opposite styrofoam support on top. Place this styrofoam plug as shown. Place the unit into the box, close up the box, and you're ready to ship